Hello guys, I am going to show you about mixed fractions, So, we're going to learn about mixed fractions. Like, when there is, three equal parts are shaded in two equal parts. So when you put a circle and shade 3, and there are 2 parts, and you shade 3 parts, that is all nonsense, So what you do just a half, and then on the other one you actually do a half of a circle. So that will actually be will be 3 of 2, but as a mixed fraction, really it will actually be 1.5. 1 is how many holes are there. Hole is a whole shape, like a circle. There's one whole shape, I told you. Okay, but we're gonna go. So let's go and discuss. Let's go and show you a chart of what is a mixed fraction. This is what does a mixed fraction mean, Out of my way, silly window, I'm doing some maths. So, we're going to show you in real talking. Imagine when you've drawn this. Then, what you have to do, you have to discover how many holes are there. Holes is a whole shape. I can see it's only one hole, So we put it as a 1 as the first, and then the fraction, there's another one. And this actually says a half of a whole. That means I'm going to put 1 of and a dash and a 2. It's going to be 1 of 2, means a half again. So it's going to be 1.5, and this is how it will look like. Okay? We are going in half. Now let's go to quarters. So, what we're going to show you. So imagine you've actually drawn this again. But you don't see a half anymore. I can actually see 3 of 4. So 3 of 4 will be the fraction in that mixed fraction. And let's count how many holes are there. 1, 2. There are 2 holes. So what we're going to put is 2 beside it. So it's going to be 2 and 3 quarters. 3 quarters. Quarter means 4 parts. And 3. So it's going to be 3 of 4. So it's going to be 2 and 3 quarters. Okay? So now let's go and show you it on paper. So we are going to draw something here. We're actually gonna draw and these halves, you put them together, same as this and this. So this is what it shows, So let's count how many holes are there. This is how a hole looks like. A whole circle or any other shape. I just like circle a lot. So this is how. So imagine you've got 2 slices of oranges and you put them together and it's like this, same as this one and this one, and this is actually a half orange. So what we're going to show you how many. So I'm going to pretend these circles and this are oranges. So what we're going to do, we're going to count how many whole oranges are there. You're going to count how many holes are there. So whole oranges. So this is how a whole orange looks like, and this is how a whole looks like. So let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3. So we're gonna put 3 here. And now this represents a half of a whole, so a half actually means 1 of 2. So we're going to write down 1 of 2 beside it. This is how we do it on paper. This is how the method of mixed fractions look like. Okay? So this is the end of our little new video about mixed fractions. I hope you like it because you might learn even more math and go more genius. So see you later.